Samsung has just made their ultimate power move. We have some exciting unpacked news on our hands regarding the Galaxy S25 series. Now let's talk about Galaxy XR headset. Samsung is entering the augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) space with the Galaxy XR headset, a direct competitor to Apple's Vision Pro. What makes the Galaxy XR stand out is its built-in AI-powered Android XR system in collaboration with Google. The headset integrates Gemini AI, which can see and hear exactly what you see when wearing it, providing real-time assistance for various tasks. In terms of design, it resembles the Apple Vision Pro but is lighter and includes advanced motion sensing and camera technology for gesture controls. This headset is expected to be fully showcased at Samsung's Galaxy S25 Unpacked event. Samsung has set an ambitious sales target of 37 million units for the Galaxy S25 series, which is higher than the previous year's target. One of the major innovations rumored is next-gen AI features, including a second generation of Galaxy AI, which could potentially rival Apple's AI capabilities. Samsung is also exploring magnetic cases for the S25 series, likely to take advantage of new charging standards. Now let's talk about the phone price and color, or European markets. The price of the S25 series is expected to remain similar to that of the S24 series, which is good news for consumers who were worried about a price hike. Additionally, there's a rumor about an exciting new titanium white/silver color variant for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which might be the most aesthetically pleasing model yet. Now let's talk about the specification. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature 16 gigabytes of RAM in its 512 gigabyte storage variant, offering a significant performance boost. It will also support UFS 4.1 storage, making data transfer, app installations, and other tasks faster than ever before. So it's all if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.